Hey everyone. As engineering teams scale, managing organizational data, detecting developer burnouts, and tracking single points of failure turn into a chaotic guessing game. Enter Empulse, the engineering intelligence platform built for engineering managers. Empulse unifies organizational knowledge, instant response, risk analytics, and offboarding into a single cohesive cockpit. Instead of the traditional static spreadsheets, Empulse is uniquely powered by a live Cognee knowledge graph, turning fragmented company data into real-time actionable engineering insights. Let's take a quick look under the hood. Empulse is built as a robust dual-stack monorepo designed for local speed and data privacy. On the front end, we are running Next.js 15 and React 19 style with Tailwind CSS. On the back end, a high-performance FastAPI structuring data validation via Pydantic and utilizing SQL Alchemy to communicate with an operational PostgreSQL 16 database, the AI and graph layer. This is where the magic happens. We run local LLM and embedding pipelines via Ollama utilizing Llama 3.2 and Nomic embed text. Let's jump into the cockpit. When a manager logs into Empulse, they are greeted by our unified manager dashboard, which aggregates metrics across all modules. But before we look at the data, let's see how it gets here by navigating to our integrations page. Here, managers can easily configure credentials for native pipelines like Slack, Notion, GitHub, and Jira. With a single click, the global sync mechanism pulls Slack conversations, Notion documents, GitHub commit history, and Jira ticket data directly into our core pipeline. Now, let's click over to ERA, Employee Risk Assessment module. This is where that integration data comes to life. Every time a sync completes, automated telemetry hooks cascade updates to our ERA analytics engine. By computing live commit velocity, ticket priorities, and assignee data, Empulse calculates real-time burnout and bottleneck risk scores. This lets managers proactively identify overloaded developers before it impacts team health. Next is KRA, the knowledge risk assessment. Using Cognee's live knowledge graph, Empulse maps out an intricate network explicitly connecting your software components directly to your engineers. The edges connecting them aren't just lines, they denote a specific contribution weightage, mathematically showing exactly how much a developer has contributed or modified that particular component. By analyzing these weighted connections, the system automatically highlights structural single points of failures, flagging critical components that rely entirely on a single person so that a manager can assign a backup instantly. When things go wrong, we head over to incident investigation. This features a 3-panel root cause workspace where a streaming chat service hooks into your Cognee knowledge graph, allowing you to converse with your organization's context to diagnose issues instantly. Finally, when someone moves on, the Employee Knowledge Handover module automatically generates a complete offboarding documentation based on the graph's structural data. Building Empulse taught us immensely about the power of local-first AI. Integrating Cognee's asynchronous add and Cognify pipelines with a dual-stack setup proved that companies don't need to ship their private data to third-party APIs to get powerful graph-backed intelligence. Empulse gives engineering managers the clarity they need to protect their code bases, support their developers, and scale efficiently. Thanks for watching.